Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2017 Ram 3500 Longhorn. This accident-free four-wheel drive crew cab is powered by a Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel inline 6 paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the back of the truck, you have the standard box with everything nicely protected by a tonneau cover. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable and folding mirrors as well as power adjustable windows. Your lighting controls are on the dash. You have a handle to help you get in. And on the steering wheel is your display controls, hands-free audio, and cruise control. This truck is also sitting at 112,494 kilometers currently. You have the Alpine premium sound system, storage at the top of the dash. You also have a large infotainment unit which is Bluetooth ready and controls your heated steering wheel and heated front seats. You have your dual zone automatic climate controls, four-wheel drive controls, tow brake controller, as well as additional accessories including your parking sensors. You have lots of additional storage, and this truck has the brown Longhorn premium leather interior, and the front two seats are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have handles to help you get in, a great view of the sun moonroof, these nice pockets in the back of the front two seats. The rear seats are heated. You also have rear air ventilation and a 12-volt power adapter. There's a flip-down cup holder in the center, and these are 60/40 split flip-up rear seats for additional storage. If you would like to see this 2017 Ram 3500 Longhorn in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.